Has there ever been a time where you've thought to yourself, surely this isn't it? Surely this is not how my life is meant to go. Surely my life is meant to get better. Maybe right now you're experiencing challenges. Maybe you've got goals, you've got things that you want to go after, you want to achieve and obviously become successful. But maybe you're scared of taking the first step. Maybe challenges are getting in the road, and maybe you're not living your dream life right now. But the truth is, no matter what we are facing in life, we are meant for the things that we desire in life. If we want to achieve a goal, if we want to go after something, be ourselves, chase a goal, become successful, there is more out there to life for us to go out and achieve. And sometimes it does take time, even if it doesn't seem like it. The thoughts that you're having right now, maybe those thoughts are correct. The thoughts where you say to yourself, there has to be more to life than this. Sometimes we can be in a place where we think pretty much everything, is things going to work out? Is my life ever going to get better? And I can't speak for everyone, but what I can say is, based off all the experiences and challenges that I've faced, is that things do start to get better through time. Maybe the thoughts that you are facing, those thoughts of maybe you're saying to yourself, is there more out there for me? In my personal opinion, I would say there certainly is. Because that's the thoughts that I used to have as well. And the more I gave these thoughts, the more I kept thinking about these things, the more I started to take the steps, the more I started to achieve my goals and do certain things that aligned with what I wanted to do. And by doing that, I was able to find fulfillment in doing the things that I love to do. I was able to eventually find something that I love to do, find something that makes me happy. I believe change begins when we start to take those steps, when we start to give things more thought, and when we start to take away things that no longer serve us. That's what I've done with some of the things in the past. And there is still things, even now, that I'm trying to take out of my life, that I'm trying not to do, so that I'm able to live a more fulfilling life, where I am able to become a better person, where I am able to build better skills, to build up my skills. So I believe change starts when we take those steps. Maybe you right now know what steps to take, which is a great thing as long as we know what the first step is to take. And even if we don't yet, what I've always said is that eventually we will start to understand and realize what steps we should be taking. And a bit like everything, that happens through time. If you are having those thoughts of maybe I am more for this, then maybe this is the necessary step. Maybe this is the right time, and only you know when the right time is. But maybe this is actually the time that things start to change for the better. From doing the things that you know, or from doing the things that you want to do, you will end up living a life that is so fulfilling. A life that brings happiness, instead of always questioning yourself, questioning your abilities. And most importantly, and also most scary, is questioning what you should have done in the past, which is not something that we all want to experience. No one wants to experience regret. But I know for certain that there's been times where we all have regretted doing something. So I believe looking at our past, learning from our past experiences can help us so much. There's even times right now where maybe I'm dealing with something, I'm going through a tough situation, I'm experiencing challenges, setbacks, but then I look back at maybe the experiences that I've experienced in the past, on how I dealt about things back then, and then it's taught me on how to deal with things now. So sometimes even looking back to our past and using what we learned to help us even right now can go a long way. So I hope that this video could help you in any type of way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you could find something valuable at least out of this video. Maybe what I've said, maybe what I've experienced in the past, maybe something that I've been doing myself. Hopefully you find something valuable enough that you can use yourself, maybe that can help you in some way. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could please like this video, subscribe down below, and if you know anyone that may benefit from watching this video, then I would appreciate it if you could please share this video to them. Thank you so much, and I will see everyone in the next one.